Hey guys, Milwaukee expanded its Rivet Tool lineup with a new Milwaukee M18 FUEL 1/4-inch blind rivet tool. If you do a lot of riveting, this tool is amazing. We're going to walk you through it top to bottom, show you everything that it comes with, show you how it works, and then talk about it a little more at the end. Stick with us. Hey guys, here's the Milwaukee FUEL M18 1/4-inch blind rivet tool, model number 2660-20. That's the bare tool. It also comes in a kit, which would be -22 with the M18 2.0 amp hour CP 2.0 batteries. This tool here is in its red form, completely bare of the included and installed boot. I really love how this boot makes this tool look, but the reality is that this boot is meant to help protect the tool and the work surfaces that you're working on. It goes on and off super easy. You just have to remove the mandrel collector back here. So this is going to collect all the mandrels from the rivets. You'll have to empty this at about every 100 to 200 rivets. Slides on, locks in place, super easy. On the top of the tool you have a hanger if you're up in the air and you want to use this. This guy's only 5.6 pounds, so it's super light, super easy to use. You have an included wrench for your nose piece. You know, realistically, you just want to keep this here. If you want to slide it out, it will come out, but to change anything up here, you just want to remove this nose piece. It's a lot easier. You unscrew it here, move over to your wrench that is in place, unscrew that piece. We're going to go with the black because we're going to be doing some 3/16 inch rivets. Screw that on, tighten it up, screw that back on, and then we'll put our storage piece right back in the side. There is a little screw in there. We can tighten that in so you will not lose these. This dude will do 3/16, 7/32, 1/4-inch and 9/32 inch rivets. 4,500 pounds of pull force on this. You can do aluminum, you can do steel, you can do stainless steel. 1.18 inches of stroke. This nose is 3.13 inches long, so you have a good reach in there. And as I said, 5.6 pounds, very light. If you want to hear this tool work, you'll see the LED light come on. So you want to make sure that when you're putting a rivet in, you put one in the end of the gun. It will hold itself there. It's not going to come out. And when you put it inside your hole, you want to pull this trigger and make sure that the tool sucks everything up. And if you let it off too soon, it won't pull everything out and the jaws will let everything go. So this is just a simple tool to use. Let's do it. Simple. That mandrel should have popped up into the back. And we are using steel rivets here. Let's try one more. Simple, right? That mandrel is going to collect in the back. Let's try 2 aluminum rivets. You can go super fast with this tool. And that is sticking that rivet out again, which should have pulled it back. And one more. Simple. To remove any of the mandrels, they should be popped back here, but obviously I've only done 2. They will continue to move their way back in here, and you want to make sure that you do empty that after 100 to 150. Let's take a look at the back here and see what we have. You can see everything's been pulled in. It's nice and tight. It's interesting to see what happens here with these rivets, but the tool works, it's fast. If you're working on trailers or anything like that where you have a ton of rivets to put in, this tool is going to speed up that job, you know, really ergonomically help you out and allow you to be on a trailer and work a lot safer. The Milwaukee M18 rivet gun is really following up a very successful launch of the M12 rivet gun. As you can see as you look over it, the mandrel collector is smaller on the M12. There's a larger barrel grip to hang on to, and the M12 is designed for doing a lot of rivets, but the reality is they really designed this M18 for great ergonomics, for working in different places with a hanger, so if you are working up in the air, you can hang the tool or just really nicely hang on to it. It has a nice drill style grip. Makes it easy to use and very balanced. I like that. So if you're working around in different areas, the M18 is very comfortable, and I could see using this tool all day long. Not to say it also handles larger rivets than the M12, so it's going to be a little bit more powerful. Both of them are great tools. It just depends on the use that you're going to put them through. I think this is awesome to get something, especially when you get to the fact of the jaws on the inside. And there's a ton of information out there, and I'll try to leave a little bit more in the description, but these jaws will last a long time. It needs very little maintenance, a little bit of oil once in a great while. But when you get to these larger rivets, and if you were pulling them by hand or doing it pneumatically, you have that hose, you don't have the portability, and this tool does it all excellent. Works well. I like it. Check it out. I'll put some links in the description so you guys can check out the cost of these tools. I'll also put some more information down there on where you can actually see more specs and a little bit more of what's coming in the future. As always, we appreciate you checking out the tools on our channel. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Give us a like in this video. And as always, have a great day.